Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been forever since I've done an update. We basically didn't post anything during the whole lockdown period. It's been a very turmoil time for Fair Spark Books, but we have got a lot of news, which I'm going to start doing in the next few days over a few videos. But the first one I want to talk about is our new monthly subscription box service. Now for $16.99 a month, you can sign up and get a box just like this delivered straight to your door, and in each box there is going to be 5 new comics from the Small Press world and potentially some other little gifts like prints, badges, stickers, and some extra free comics depending on the month. So it's a brilliant way to support the Small Press community, as we buy these comics at a slightly reduced rate, so that all money goes back to them. We basically only make a few pound per box just for the processing costs, and you can subscribe to that for $16.99 a month by going to buysmallpressmonthly.club, or you can just buy a one-off box. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you me packing up this month's box. So if you are a subscriber, turn away now because you will be spoiled in what's in this month's box, which is going out literally today. So hopefully if you are a subscriber, you'll get that in the next day or two. If not, what are you waiting for? Watch this video, then go over to the site and subscribe. Okay, so let's go and start making up one of the boxes. The first thing we do is obviously put together our box, standard A4 box. At the moment we don't have custom ones, so for now what I'm doing is I've got plain ones and I'm just printing out some stickers on our printer. Hopefully that will all change in the future. So first things first, let's get the first one on. So all we do is paste this down, and the reason it's designed this way is so that we can have this space on the left to put the address essentially, and then on the inside we have another one which allows just to remind you to take a photo of your box and you could win a free box. Now the next stage is to start filling it with all the goodies that you're going to get in this issue. What I like to do is get a bit of coloured paper, just pop that inside, and then start filling it with comic awesomeness. Now in this issue box we have first edition of Abyssal Albion, I think that's how you pronounce it, and they've provided some prints and a badge to go with it, so I'll throw that in. Then we have Hordes of Surrey Part 1. We have And It Snowed. We have Kia Wordsmith issue 1, and finally Milford Green. Now what I then do is take that, I just grab a quick sticker just to pop this over the top. Oh, hit the camera. Over the top, then we just fold it in on itself, and that is how we do it. I hope that entices you to subscribe to the box. It's every month and we've got exciting things coming up. We have exclusive cover variants coming, we have themed boxes coming and special discounts coming, so make sure you join this club. Again, it's only $16.99 a month for 5 amazing comics. Sometimes, like this month, you saw that we had Milford Green, which was a graphic novel. It wasn't just a 24-page, so you're bound to get a variety of things and discover a variety of creators. So go to www.buysmallpressmonthly.club and join the club today. And thanks again for all the support everyone brings to the channel and to Buy Small Press and Fair Spark Books. We cannot wait to continue getting this growing, and I'll join you next update when we talk about Buy Small Press, the marketplace. So until next time, bye.